Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, сколько тебе лет? Часть первая, страницы, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. English, Starlight 3. How old are you? Homework, part number 1, page number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 4, 4. Lesson number 1. Exercise number 1. Match the names to the children. Подберите имена детям. Моне, Эмма, Ли, Харри. Exercise number 2. Draw the first letter of your name. Нарисуйте первую букву своего имени. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Talk with your friend. Поговори со своим другом. Hi, I'm Jack. What's your name? Nia. How do you spell it? N-I-A. The answer. Hi, I'm Nika. What's your name? Maxim. How do you spell it? M-A-X-I-M. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 5, 5. Exercise number 4. Listen, point, and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boys and girls, do exercise number 5. Do the sums to find the names. Сделайте вычисления, чтобы найти имена. The answer. My number is 3 plus 3. I'm Jim. I'm Paul. My number is 5 plus 5. My name's Sam. My number is 9 minus 1. My number is 8 minus 3. I'm Alex. My name's Derek. My number is 1 plus 1. Let's play. How old are you? I'm 8. How old are you? I'm 9. How old are you? I'm 7. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 6, 6. Lesson number 2. Useful phrases. Hi, I'm Lee. Nice to meet you. What's your name? How do you spell it? Exercise number 1. Who are they? Look, choose, and complete the speech bubbles. Кто они? Посмотрите, выберите и закончите. Шрек. Winnie the Pooh. Wall-E. Mickey Mouse. Popeye. Pluto. Hello, my name's Shrek. The answer. Hello, my name's Shrek. Hi, I'm Popeye. Hello, I'm Winnie the Pooh. Hi, my name's Pluto. Hello, I'm Wall-E. Hi, my name's Mickey Mouse. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 7. 7. Exercise number 2. Take roles and act out. Возьмите роли и разыграйте. Hello, I am Yellen. Hi, Yellen. My name's Evgeny. Nice to meet you, Evgeny. The answer. Hello, I am Sergey. Hi, Sergey. My name's Victoria. Nice to meet you, Victoria. Hello, I am Oksana. Hi, Oksana. My name's Dima. Nice to meet you, Dima. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read and choose A or B. Прочтите и выберите A или B. Tina, hello. Hi, Tina. What's your name? I'm Bob. Tina. How do you spell it? B-O-B. Bob. What's your name? Tina. That's T-I-N-A. Tina. Bob, this is my friend Anna. Hello, Anna. Anna. Nice to meet you, Bob. Nice to meet you too. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 8. 8. Lesson number 3. Useful phrases. Who's that? That's my friend Jim. Who's that? Who is that? That's Jim. That is Jim. Exercise number 1. Talk with your friend. Поговорите с вашим другом. Who's that? That's Elvin. The answer. Who's that? That's Lee. Who's that? That's Harry. Who's that? That's Emma. Who's that? That's Mona. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 9. 9. Exercise number 2. Who are they? Ask and answer questions, as in the example. Кто они? Задавайте вопросы и отвечайте на них, как в примере. Batman, Spider-Man, Superman, Hulk. Who's that? That's Batman. The answer. Who's that? That's Batman. Who's that? That's Superman. Who's that? That's Hulk. Who's that? That's Spider-Man. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and choose A or B. Прочтите и выберите A или B. What's your name? I'm Emma. Who's this? This is Ellen. How old are you? I'm 10. Hi, I'm Steve. Hello. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Read and complete the sentences. Прочтите и завершите предложение. The answer. Bob. Hi, I'm Bob. What's your name? Tom. Hi, I am Tom. Nice to meet you. Bob. How old are you? Tom. I am 9. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.